White is ready. And here it is, folks, for a semi-final spot in Season 8 of the Bray and Neveu Contender Series. I think this is the calm before the storm. Both boxers will go at each other, seeking that decisive edge. A good right by White. Holmes backs away. White has his support inside the CBA auditorium. Both his parents, his mom and dad, are Jamaicans. And he's walking through the punches of Holmes at the moment. Less than 2 minutes to go. I'm a little bit surprised that throughout this contest, Holmes has not been able to take advantage of White having that left hand down for almost the entirety of this fight. No straight right, no right hook to hurt him. Had to have taken advantage of that. Midway, the fifth and final. This fight is there to be won, and not a lot of action by the fighters. Holmes throws a right. White responds. Goes to the body. Ian Jardine, as excellent as ever, says break. 1 minute to go in this fifth and final round.
Stop! Stop!
Approaching 30 seconds left in the contest, and both boxers might feel that they have won and are just staying away. But this fight was there to be won in a decisive fashion in this fifth and final round, and maybe both boxers are just exhausted. 15 seconds to go. And White will try and steal this round by finishing with a flurry. Holmes jabs, less than 10 seconds to go. Big right by White, finishing strongly. Attempting to steer the round, the bell goes. What a fight by Richard Holmes and Lerone White. They left it all in the ring here tonight.